Okay, since our one phonics page was really short, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through one of our other phonics pages that you normally do on your own. So I'm going to walk through it pretty quick. If you want to pause the video and try to do this paper on your own, that'd be awesome, and then come back here and check your work. So basically all we're doing is matching the word to the picture. So you really have to observe and identify what each picture is telling you to match it with the words down here with our words, our double O, would, look, to hook, foot, wolf, hood, book, and cook. Okay, so I'm looking up here, and the first thing I see is I see a dog, because I love dogs. So what does a dog say? If you said wolf, then you used our double O sounding this week. I'm going to write the word wolf right here and cross that one off. Next, I'm going to look at another one I actually recognize and I can identify, which is hook. That's a fishing hook. So I'm going to find hook down here. Oh, there's my H. Hook. This is it right here. And I'm going to write this word on this line. And go ahead and pause it if I go too fast. Hook. Some friends, when they get these pages, they think they have to go one at a time. I don't. I like to find the ones I know first, and then it makes the ones that are a little bit harder easier to figure out. That looks like a fish. I'm not sure. Oh, a foot. I know foot has the sound. Let's find it. It starts with a f. Oh, right there. Foot. F-O-O-T. So go ahead and fill that one in. Foot. Foot. Look around, see if you can figure out, can you identify any more? How about this one right here? A book. Yeah, exactly. That's an easy one. Book. Down here. Cross it off as we go. All right. Well, he looks like a burglar. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, what's this? They're here. This is a piece of wood. Wood. I like that one. So, I already used my wood. Oh, that's wolf. Wood. Perfect. I'm going to put this one right here. Double O. My D goes in the attic. Wood. And I'm going to cross it off. Wood. Only 4 more to go. Look at us. Good job. I wonder what this boy's looking at. Oh, wait a second. He's looking. Look. Let's see if it's down here. Right there. Boom. First one I looked at. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Let's write it up here. Look. Take your time and use your nicest handwriting. Remember, pause it if I go too fast. Everyone works at their own speed. Okay, I'm not too sure about these. I mean, this looks like fish. That looks like a raccoon that stole some stuff. And that looks like a car. So let's look at our last 3 words and see which one matches up. So this first one says, took. Oh, the raccoon took the money. He's a burglar. So let's write took. Up here, took. And cross that off. Now we only have 2 more to go. We're awesome. 2 more. And then you can color this if you want when we're done. You can turn it into your teacher all nice and pretty. Okay. This one and this one. Here we go. Done. Done. Hood. Hood. Oh! Look at the arrow. It's pointing to the hood of the car right there. The hood. So, right. Hood. Good. Ha, good. Another double O word. Ha. Funny. Let's see. Last one. You want to read that one for me? Right there. They're cooking the fish. I get that that's supposed to be like steam. It made me think it was smelly, but they're cooking the fish. Great job, you guys. Okay, remember this is the Write the Word phonics page. Way to work hard, you guys.